Thank God. I'm gonna get you out of here. Get you out of here. You have to wait until the last moment to jump, okay?
What are you talking about?
If you time it right, he won't be able to see you from this angle. You have to go.
Oh my God.
Go. Go. Oh, come on, get out. Come on. That's good.
I gotta get you out of here.
Sis, my leg's pinned.
Oh.
I'm not going anywhere. You have to go.
I'm not.
You have to go.
I'm not going.